Daily at the Court Services Division, we're very busy. We run all the in-custody appearances for the inmates that come to jail and then escort them to their appearances and provide security. Sergeant Norm Lindsay. Well, I've been with the Sheriff's Office for 21 years now, and I've had a vast experience through the different divisions. I've been in investigations, I've been in patrol, I've been in court security. And being new to court security, it's been eye-opening. We're busy from the time you get here to the time at the end of the day, whether it's running appearances, whether it's interacting with the public. Warrants come up or probation violations, so we arrest several people throughout the day as well. We have a secure tunnel from the jail over to courts. Yeah, every court appearance is different. Some of them are just your run-of-the-mill, in and out, a quick trial, and some of them are very heated. The emotions will run hot at times, and so you have to be able to communicate with the inmate and communicate with the public that's there as well to keep emotions calm. There's people that come to Court Services Division and will remain here for their career. They just love it, and a lot of people will use this opportunity, like I said, with the ability to do different things. They get involved in arrests here, and then they can take that experience on to investigations or patrol and have that background to further their career.